Welcome! The KAN Mobile Training Center is on the road again. Last year we traveled over 20,000 kilometers, visited 12 countries, met and trained over 2,000 professionals. In the year we will come back again to meet you and to develop the actual cooperation with professionals and to establish new cooperation with professionals. In the KAN Mobile Training Center, you can see and even test the newest plumbing system of KAN and get answer to your question as well. Visit us and you are welcome for a coffee as well. You can meet us in Hungary, the Czech Republic and Slovakia. We intend to participate in important events of the installation to meet professionals who are using KAN system and professionals who are intend to use KAN system in the near future. Follow us on our website and Facebook. Where we keep you informed the time and places you can meet us. See you soon in your city.